North China's Hebei province launched its new international multimodal transport route on Tuesday, which relies on railways and highways to transport goods to Central Asian countries. On Tuesday morning, a train carrying over 1,000 tons of goods departed from Langfang City in Hebei. After arriving at Kashgar City in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, the goods will be transported via cross-border highways. They will be carried by train again after reaching Kyrgyzstan and transported to the final destination of Tashkent, capital of Uzbekistan. According to China Railway Beijing Group Cooperation Limited, the route from China to Uzbekistan is about 6,000 kilometers long, and it's estimated it will take about 12 days to complete the trip. The new multimodal transport route is expected to further promote the development of economic and trade relations between China and Uzbekistan, helping to ensure high efficiency in transport while also reducing the cost.
对于货物运输的时间呀，包括这个安全性啊，各方面应该说有了很大的提高。这个对于我们未来促进公司在中亚业务的开展，应该说会有非常大的一个帮助。